Hello students, are you ready for the exam? Test yourself with this 3 minutes quiz on indices. Get ready a pen and some papers and practice along with me. Question number 1. Simplify negative a to the power of 0. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Negative 1. Why is that so? Because a to the power of 0 will give you 1. So therefore, negative a to the power of 0 will give you negative 1. Do you get it correct? Question number 2. Simplify bracket b to the power of 6, close bracket to the power of negative 2/3. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is A. Why is that so? Because bracket a to the power of m, close bracket n, is equals to a to the power of m times n. Therefore, we can simplify our questions to be b to the power of 6 times bracket negative 2/3. You can use your calculator to evaluate this. Otherwise, this will give you b to the power of negative 12 over 3, and that gives you b to the power of negative 4. But of course, the easier one would be just to use the calculator to evaluate this expression. Question number 3. Simplify a to the power of 3 times a to the power of negative half equals to a to the power n. Then find the values of n. What's the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. Why is that so? Because a to the power of m times a to the power of n will give you a to the power of m plus n. So therefore, a to the power of 3 times a to the power of negative half will give you a to the power of 3 plus bracket negative half. That gives you a to the power of 3 minus half. And 3 minus half will give you 2.5. Do you get the correct answer? Question number 4. Write to the power of 3 times to the power of 2 over to the power of 8 as a single power of 2. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Why is that so? What's the meaning of single power of 2 means your answer will have to be written as 2 to the power of a, where a is any real number. So let's try to simplify this. That will give you 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 over to the power of 8. And that gives you 2 to the power of 5 over to the power of 8. And that's this rule where we have a to the power m over a to the power n. That will give you a to the power m minus n. So therefore, this will give you 2 to the power of 5 minus 8 gives you 2 to the power of negative 3. Question number 5. Given that 8 to the power of half is equals to 2 to the power of m, find m. Yes, what's the answer? The correct answer is C. Why is that so? Because 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. Because 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8. And if you were to combine all this by adding the power, that will give you 2 to the power of 3. So therefore, 8 is 2 to the power of 3, close bracket to the power of half. And that gives you 2 to the power of 3 times half, gives you 2 to the power of 3 over 2. And you compare it with what is given, 2 to the power m, we can see that m is equals to 3 over 2. Question number 6. Giving your answer in the form 3 to the power of p, calculate square root 3 to the power of 16. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is D. And why is that so? Square root a means a to the power half. Therefore, square root 3 to the power of 16, we can write it as 3 to the power of 16, cross bracket to the power half. And we can simplify it further by taking the power 16 times half, which gives us 8. Therefore, the correct answer is 3 to the power 8, which is answer D. How many of them did you get it correct? Maybe you can share with us your score in the comment section. Happy learning!